Happy good morning.
Good morning.
Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you how to easily draw an Easter egg.
Excellent.
You'll need two small circular objects, a pencil and an eraser, pastel markers,
Those are highlighters.
and some paper. Place your larger circular object on your paper and trace an outline with your pencil. Now place the smaller object above your first circle. With your pencil, trace the smaller circle. Next, we'll connect the top of our small circle with the sides of our larger circle. Do this on both sides. Let's erase the pencil marks in the middle of our egg. Lastly, use your pastel colors to trace over your egg outline. It should look something like this. Continue coloring until you have an egg in each color. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch this video here, where we'll turn our Easter egg drawings into quick and simple Easter crafts.
Happy crafting.